Hey guys, Steve here. So I have cut down my neck that goes inside of the box so that it doesn't cause vibrations. So there's the ledge that the box is going to sit on, and then I'll have two pieces I glue on here. And the reason I glue two pieces on here is because when I get this tailpiece, these tail pieces, I get them from MGB Guitars out of Odessa, Florida, my friend Michael Breedlove. Well, they have the holes further apart than this piece of wood would handle. So I'd be like, the screw would be going in kind of right beside it. So I glued two little pieces of wood like this down there for them to screw into. And it's the same way with this metal one that is kind of like a door, the thing that the door closes on. They make some that look like that too. And this one has a spot to put your pickup and possibly your strap holder. But I kind of like these wood ones better. So, got my strings. I got some real lightweight strings for this one because I want to be able to bend them. And then I got this to go where the jack goes. So you can see, here's my piezoelectric. Some people call it piezo, but when I was in the Air Force, they only taught us piezo. So that's what I know. And then the jack, it just makes it much cleaner, I think, to have this metal where that comes through the box. I've got my tuners here, and I got some mini tuners. I think I talked to you about that. These are all from MGB Guitars. And these mini tuners maybe will fit easier. Because I only got 1.5 inches to go on the back of here. Got my knob. I tried to get these from MGB, but they were sold out, so I bought them from another place, and it actually came with 4, so that was cool. And so the piezoelectric, I've done this a couple of different ways. Like I have cut a spot down in here for it, and the piezoelectric on this one should be going about right here on the bridge, 25-inch scale, so 25 inches from here to here. But what I'm gonna do this time, I'm gonna actually hot glue it to the lid of the box, just like that. And then I'm gonna want my wires running out the bottom, running this direction. So, got my glue gun warmed up here. And I've done it a couple different ways. And I thought this was the easiest, so that's what I'm doing now. Plus it maintains the best contact against the lid. It's a little warm. And also cooling it fast. So then, this is going to flip over. Make sure I left enough room for that to close. Good, that's good. So there you have it. Something new, like I said, I've cut a hole down in here before, and then I put my piezoelectric down there in hot glue, and then I would put hot glue on the other side and make it where it wouldn't stick to the box, but it would be right up against it. And I'm like, well, why don't I just stick it to the top? I watched a few different videos and that seemed to be a good option. In fact, somebody now makes a little piezoelectric pickup that you can, sorry, all these strings from my hot glue. They make a little piezoelectric pickup that's shaped like a triangle and you got some like gummy stuff on it and you can just stick it to your box. But, so there you have it. In my next video, I'll be drilling the hole for the jack and the volume knob. And did I not show? I think I showed you everything else. So, I make my own bridges a lot of times. I'll take like this is about a 5/8 by 5/8, and I'll just put a piece of fret wire in there, and then that's a floating bridge, so it's not tightened down, and that will just sit. You can see my mark there, right on there. And also I'm gonna do the box in a blue, and I haven't decided if I wanted to do the neck in black or leave it wood, but I'm using this Polyshade vintage blue, which will kind of look like worn out jeans, for the head and for the box. So we will see how that goes. Be my first blue one. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Y'all have a good day.